Hello everybody! Today we are going to create the fading line preloader that is available on our website preloaders.net in the circular spinners category. You can also purchase the source file of this animation in our turbosquid.com store. Just type in preloaders here and you will have all our loaders available to you. So let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop application and create a workspace of 512 to 512 pixels size. Press OK. Now we will need to create a circle. Click on your ellipse tool and here click on this small arrow and enter 512 pixels to 512. Then click on any place of your area and your object will appear. Select the Move tool and align your circle to the edges of your workspace. Now we will need to create another circle inside the shape we already have now. For this, click on the ellipse tool again, click on this small arrow again and type in a smaller size of your circle or simply make it unconstrained. Having done so, press Shift on your keyboard and start dragging. As you can see, the shape appears within the first shape, within the same layer as my first shape. Now go to Path Selection tool. Note that it must be black because the direct selection tools is for different purposes. So we select this one and drag from beginning to the end so that we have objects selected. Now on top you will see the alignment tools. Just click on this one and this one so it aligns the small shape to the center of the bigger one. Now we need to exclude the shape areas from each other. Click on this one and combine. Now we have something like torus here. Now let's create a preloader from it. Go to Effects and Gradient Overlay. In the style of your gradient overlay, select Angle and leave everything else as it is. Then OK. So as you can see, we have a shape very similar to ours. Now go to your animation window. If you don't have it open already, go to Window in your menu and click on Animation. You will have it appeared like this in this view probably. If it goes so, then click on this small thing and you will have your frames appeared. Now create a new frame by clicking this small button and it will duplicate your first frame. Go again to your gradient overlay and type -90 degrees in your angle place inbox. Then press OK. Then we create another frame and again go to your gradient overlay and make here, type in here 90 degrees. So as you can see, this is our animation but only in 3 frames. Now we will need to merge these frames and place some other twins. This is frames. This is called twin animation. We will reach it here, click on this button and type in the amount of frames you need to stay between these 2 frames. Then press OK. As you can see, our animation has become twinned and it goes little by little to the middle point. Now we go from the second middle point to the end. Again, click on your 7th frame, press Shift on your keyboard and click the 8th frame. Then again we make the twin animation and OK. So we have our animation going. Now select all your frames. You can achieve it by clicking on the first frame, pressing Shift on your keyboard, and then select the last one, and you will have them all selected. Otherwise, you can click on this menu and select all frames. So we have all frames selected. Go to any time thingy under each frame and click on the delay you need between frames. I usually use 0.07, then press OK. So now we have our animation going one time and then stopping. To make it go forever, click here on the once, make it forever, and your animation will go non-stopping. This is basically it. We'll need now to save our image to GIF animated image. Also, if you want it to be transparent, again select all your frames and disable this background. Now you have your animation transparent. So now let's export it to GIF image. For this, go to File, Save As, and select GIF here. So we have Composer GIF. Save it and you will have your animation saved as animated image. Thank you very much for your attention. Please visit preloaders.net. We have all those images for free for you. Have a good day. Goodbye.